Hi, I'm going to show you how I make sigma Phi expose to right correctly. Let's have a look on the set first. We're now at 10-bit DNG, 24 frame rates, 4K. Shutter angle is 172.8 degree, ISO 100, color mode off. On the oscilloscope, the color of sky become a line. But if we have a smaller aperture, the shadow will be underexposed. If we expose to right correctly, the color of sky will be recovered in DaVinci, and the shadow won't be underexposed. So we should make the color of the highlights become aligned just right by adjusting the aperture or using ND filters. In another way, if the image isn't overexposed at f2.8, you can adjust the aperture to f2.4. But it depends. Adjusting the aperture by watching the oscilloscope is the safest way. Now let's have a test. We start from a small aperture. Then I expose to the right. At last, I make the image overexposed totally for contrast. Then we edit it in DaVinci. Let's debug first. Decode quality is full resolution or use project setting. Decode using is clip. Color space is Blackmagic Design. And gamma is Blackmagic Design film. Then click Highlight Recovery. As we can see, this isn't necessary when using small aperture, but very helpful when exposing to the right. The color of the highlight is fully recovered. On the oscilloscope, there isn't a line anymore. Nevertheless, if you overexpose too much, nothing will be helpful.